Welcome student to CPHS&C Text Law, Class 9 Chemistry, topic Rutherford Model of an Atom. Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford was born at Nelson, New Zealand. He was educated at University of New Zealand and conducted many research work in 1895 with J.J. Thomas at Cavendish Laboratory. But in 1907, he accepted a long-worthy professorship at Manchester University in England, where Chaudic was one of his students. He won a Nobel Prize in 1908 in the field of atomic physics. He explained that the major portion of the atomic mass is concentrated in the minute, certainly located positively charged nucleus. As early in 1920, he predicted the presence of particle with a unit mass but having no charge. He named such particle neutron. History of Rutherford model of an atom. In Rutherford model of an atom, the scattering is a phenomena in physics that was explained by Ernest Rutherford in 1911, which led to the development of the Rutherford model of the atom and eventually to the Bohr model. It is now explained by material analytical techniques, which is called Rutherford backscattering. In chemistry, conclusions drawn by Rutherford are: Rutherford concluded from the alpha particle scattering experiment that most of the space inside the atom is empty because most of the alpha particle pass through the gold foil without getting deflected. Second is very few particles were deflected from their path, indicating that the positive charge of the atom occupies a very little space. In Rutherford atomic model, most alpha particles are undeflected, and a few alpha particles are slightly deflected. A few alpha particles bounce off nucleus. That is why a very small fraction of alpha particles were deflected by 180-degree angle, indicating that all the positive charge and mass of the gold atom were concentrated in a very small volume within the atom. The main points of Rutherford nuclear model are described below. An atom consists of a positively charged nucleus which is surrounded by electrons moving around it. Electrons in the nucleus are held together by Coulombic force of attraction. Drawbacks of Rutherford atomic model. The Rutherford atomic model explains the structure of an atom in a very simple way, but it suffers from the following drawbacks. An electron revolving around the nucleus gets accelerated toward the nucleus. An accelerating charged particle must emit radiations and lose energy. Thus, the electron in an atom must continuously emit radiation and lose energy.